So one of the questions I have gotten the most recently on my channel is how to get the Google Play Store on a Panasonic TV. Now, if you recently got a Panasonic TV, you will notice that there is actually no Google Play Store but the App Market Store on the older models of Panasonic TV with the Viera operating system. And this is actually something that a lot of people are not happy about because they can't find their favorite apps on the App Store like the App Market over here. Now, before I go into the solution, it is important to note that older models of Panasonic TV with the Viera operating system that has a UI that looks just like this do not actually have the Google Play Store because they run on a different operating system that is required for Google Play Store to be on a TV. So basically, because this particular TV runs on the Firefox OS, you cannot get the Google Play Store because to get the Google Play Store, you need the Android operating system. So you can only get the Google Play Store installed on a TV that runs on the Android operating system. So basically an Android TV. But there is actually a solution that can still help you get Android apps and even the Google Play Store on your old model Panasonic Viera Smart TV, and that is basically to get an Android TV stick or an Android TV box just like this one. Now, this is actually a very affordable device. I'm going to be leaving links to this particular device in the description of this video as well. But basically, it helps you to get Android apps and the Google Play Store into your Panasonic TV. This particular device basically just adds the Google Play Store to any of the HDMI input source on your TV, and once you have it, you're good to go. Now, just to make things clear, this is basically how the device looks like inside of the box. It has this dongle that comes with a HDMI port. You can literally see the HDMI port over here. So you just want to connect it to any of the HDMI ports on this TV and connect this other end of the cable to the power source. You can connect it to any of the USB ports on your Panasonic TV as well. And once you connect it, I'll go ahead and connect mine now. Now, if you're using the device for the first time, you might actually have to go ahead and set it up, but basically this is how the UI looks like. And with your remote control, you can open up the Google Play Store. You can literally see it already has the Google Play Store installed. You can as well download and install Android apps from the Google Play Store or even sideload Android apps and APK into the device as well and use it on your Panasonic TV without any issue. Now, this is basically not the same as downloading and installing the Google Play Store into your Panasonic TV, but it helps you get the Google Play Store and any other Android application you want on your Panasonic TV without any issue. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.